Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE 400. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior. And does have blind spot assist. There's the 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLE 400 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. This has a sunroof there. Memory seats and door controls. Steering wheel. Says 35,650 for miles. And a push button start. Let's see, climate control here. Navigation system. Radio. And a backup camera. If you'd like to see any more photos or get any more additional information about this vehicle or any others, see our website at feldmannimports.com.